So, hello year 3, how are you? Hope you're all doing well. This is Miss Fatima from Al-Hassam International School. Today we are going to complete our unit multiplication. Okay, we're going to take lesson 2, which is halving and doubling. Okay, so let's now share together my presentation. Okay, I think you know halving and doubling. Okay, you have an idea what is it. Okay, so here we go. Before we start, I want to tell you my objectives. By the end of the session, you will be able to work out quickly the doubles from 1 to 20 and drive its relative half. Work out quickly the doubles of 5 and drive its relative half. Understand the concept of doubles and half. Okay, now what is doubling? Okay, I think you remember what was halving is. I wanted to ask someone. Let's start with the birthday girl. Go on, Yamaha.
The half is to
Halving.
have.
What was halving?
Like we have 4 cars, so they will be 2.
Yes, so you split it, the number you have, into 2 equal parts. You divided it into 2 equal parts, right?
Yes.
Thank you so much, Princess. Okay, so halving is splitting or dividing the number into 2 equal parts. Okay, so what's meant by doubling? Doubling is the opposite, the opposite of halving, which means we split or divide the number we have into 2 equal parts. Doubling is the opposite, so we multiply it or add it, the number over each other, which means we have 4. Doubling, we add 4 or multiply by 2. Again, doubling is adding the same number over itself. Okay, so here we have 4 cars. Okay, and we want to double it. So we are going to add the 4 cars over itself. So over 4. So 4 plus 4, which is gonna be 8. This is the double of the number of cars that we had first. Okay, so we have 8 cars. What did we do? We had 4. And we added 8, 4 plus 4. Or we can do it in another way. How? We can make 4 multiply by 2. You remember when we said the multiplying, that multiplying is adding repeated numbers and doubling is repeating 2 times. So we're going to multiply by 2. Okay? Yeah, do you understand?
Yes, I understand everything.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so here, instead of writing 4 cars plus 4 cars equal 8 cars, and this is what's meant by doubling, we added them, we can write it in another way that we took, which is multiplication. So we can write it 4 multiplied by 2, and we'll give you the same answer, which is 8. Okay, so now let me ask Malik. Malik? Okay, Malik, do you hear me?
Good morning.
Good morning, dear. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Perfect. So here, you understood the concept of doubling, right?
Of course, yeah.
Okay, of course. So here, you have how many flowers? Can you count them?
12.
12, perfect. But can you tell me what is the number that we are going to double to get you the 12? So 12 is what multiplied by 2?
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
6.
I saw your answer. Yes, it's 6. Thank you so much, Yamelik. So here we have 12 flowers. If we want to say that we are going to double the 6 flowers, they are going to be 6 plus 6, as we said that we are adding the number on itself, over itself, adding the same number 2 times. So 6 flowers plus 6 flowers are 12 flowers, okay? Or we can write it in another way, just as 6 multiplied by 2, okay? So here I leave you with this video, and then we will continue again, okay? Now let's go back, okay? And here, you remember that we talked about the multiplying table, multiplication table? To help you understand more the doubling and halving, you're going to look, focus, and learn more about the 2 timetable, timetable 2. Because 2 is doubling or halving. We either multiply by 2 or divide by 2, okay? Now, open your workbooks, page 140. And let's start with Pretty.
Yes,
Hello, dear, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Thank you. Perfect. So here we are. We're going to start together challenge number 1. Each of these numbers in the squares has been made by one of the numbers in the circles. Okay. So color each pair the same color to show the doubles. For example, okay, we're going to color the 3 with an orange color. Okay. So we're going to look in these squares for the number which is the double of 3 and color it the same color with the 3, okay, which is the orange, for example, which I chose. Okay, so let's start with the 3. What is the double of the 3? Where is it? 6. So we're going to color the 3 and the 6 with the same color, right?
Yeah.
Thank you, yeah, Pretty. Thank you so much. Now let's go to Acer. Hello, yeah, Acer.
Hello.
Hello, dear. Can you tell me the 6? We're going to solve the 6. Okay. What is the double of the 6? Where is it here?
12.
12. So we're going to color the 6 and the 12 both in the same color, right?
Yeah. This.
Okay. Thank you, yeah, Acer. Now, let me ask Mariam Muhammad. Mariam.
Yes.
Hello, dear. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Fine. So can you tell me the double of 1?
2.
2.
Double of.
Perfect. Thank you so much, yeah, Mariam. So we're going to color the 1 and the 2 with the same color. Okay. Now let me ask Dareen. Hello, yeah, Dareen. Dareen.
Yes.
Hello, dear. How are you?
Hello.
Can you tell me what is the double of 5?
It's 10.
It's 10. So we're going to color the 5 and the 10 with the same color. Thank you so much, Dareen. Now, Yasin Romi.
Yes.
Hello, Yasin. Can you tell me what is the double of the 2?
The double of the 2 is 4.
So we're going to color them both into the same color. Thank you, Yasin. Now, Muhammad Hani.
Yes.
The 4. What is the double
Yes.
of the 4?
8.
8. So we're going to color the 4 and the 8 with the same colors. Thank you so much, guys. Now let's go to question number 2 and ask Yasin Mahmoud.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Question number 2, letter A. Half of 10. We're going to color half of 10. How many squares of these are you going to color?
5.
5. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Excellent. So the half of 10 equals what?
Half of 10 equals 5.
5. Thank you so much, Yasin. Now let's go to Talia. Letter B,
Yes.
Talia. Half of 8. We're going to color half of 8. So how many are you going to color? 4. Thank you so much. We're going to color 4 circles, okay? And half of 8 is 4. Thank you, Talia. Now let's go to challenge number 2. Use these numbers to write 5 different halving and doubling facts based on these numbers, which means we're going, for example, you have an example here. We took the 32, and we're going to write half of 32 is, and write the half, write the answer. Let's, for example, say 50. Okay?
Okay.
So half of 50 is what?
25.
25. So we're going to write half of 50 is 25, right? Okay. So half of 50 is 25. Okay. Thank you, Iyad. Adam. Adam.
Good morning.
Good morning, dear. How are you?
Fine.
So here, can you tell me another fact? For example, let's choose another number, which is the 70. Okay, let's choose the 70. Huh?
70.
Yes.
35.
35. You got it, Adam?
Yes, I think I got it.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Now, half of 70 is 35. Now, let me ask someone else. Let me ask, where is Ismail today? All right, let me ask Roed. Roed,
Hi.
hi. Can you choose a number? Let's choose the 90, huh?
90.
Yes. What is the half of the 90?
Half of the 90 is 45.
45. Excellent, you're right. So half of 90 is 45. Thank you so much. Now let's write the last one. Let me ask. Who can I ask? Iyad Islam? Okay, tell me the last one. Let's choose the 16, huh? Do you have the half of the 16 here?
It's 8. It's 8. It's 8.
8. It's 8. Perfect. Thank you so much, Iyad. So half of 16 is 8. Okay. Now, question number 2. Each of the numbers on the outside ring of this target board is double the number on the inside ring. Okay. So here in the outer circle is the double. And here, okay, we're going to double this to get the answer. For example, Okay, I'm going to solve this one, the 17. We're going to double the 17 to get the answer here. Okay? So the double of 17, let me think. 17 equals 15 plus 2. Okay? So we're going to double the 15 and going to double the 2 and add them to get the double of the 17. Okay? So double of 15 is 30 and double of 2 is 4. And 4 plus 30, which is gonna be 34. You got it? How I'm thinking? How I calculated it? So 17 doubled to be 34. Okay? Now, next one, the 30. What is the half of the 30? Maha.
The half of the 30?
Yes.
15?
15, perfect. Thank you so much, Yamaha. So the half of 30 is 15 because when we double the 15, we're going to get the 30. Thank you so much, Yamaha. Now, let's go to Ahmed Hassan.
Hi.
Hello, dear. Can you tell me what is the half of 150? Can you get this? Huh?
What?
150
75.
is, thank you, perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ahmed. So 150 is the double of 75. Now, I see Fuad. Fuad here. Can you solve the next one? 13.
Okay.
Okay, Fuad, go on. Huh?
There.
13. What is the double of the 13?
26.
26. Thank you so much. Yeah, Fuad. So the answer will be 26. Okay, now let's go to the next one, which is 30. Yasin Ibrahim. Yasin.
Miss, hello.
Hello, dear. How are you?
Hello.
Hello.
I'm fine, thank you.
Perfect. So can you tell
Hello.
me the double of 30?
The double of 30 is 60.
60. So the answer will be 60. Thank you so much, Yasin. Now, 22. You want to ask someone new. Rimes.
Yes,
Hello, Rimes. How are you?
I'm fine.
Perfect. So can you tell me what is the half of 22?
11.
11. Thank you. Good girl. Thank you so much, Rimes. Now let's go to Ismail.
Yay, finally!
Okay, Ismail. Can you tell me the answer of this, of the 65?
Double of 65 is
130. Thank you so much, Ismail. So the answer will be 130. Okay, now let's go to the last one and ask Mustafa. Hello, Mustafa.
Yes.
Hello. Can you raise your voice?
Okay.
Perfect. Can you solve this one? 84. What is the half of 84?
The half of 84
Yes.
is 42.
42. Perfect. Thank you so much, ya Mustafa. Thank you. So here we completed our target board, okay, with the numbers of doubles and halves. Okay. So Next, question number 3. Ryan says that double of 7 is the same as half of 28. Guys, focus. Double of 7 is the same as half of 28. This sentence is true because both answers are 14. Okay, so we're going to complete the next question in the same way. Okay, so first one, double of 20 is the same as half of what? Let me ask Pretty. Do you know the answer?
Yes.
Double of 20 is the same as half of what?
80.
80, perfect. What did you do?
The double of 20 is 40, so I 40 and 40 makes what? 80. So the half of 80 is 40.
Perfect, good girl. Thank you so much, Pretty. Okay, now, next one, double of what is the same as half of 16? 8.
4.
Double of what is the same as half of 16?
4.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Double of 4 is the same as half of 16. Next one, I'm going to ask Maryam Muhammad. Maryam.
Yes.
Hello, ya Maryuma.
Double of 3 is the same as half of 12.
So double 3 is the same as half of
12.
12. Thank you so much, ya Maryam. So the last one, Adam.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay. Double of what is the same as half of 20?
Double of 40.
Think again. Double of 40 is the same as half of 20? So what is the half of 20?
It's 10.
Perfect. So double of what is 10?
5.
So the answer is 5.
Double of 5 is the half of 20.
Yes, you got it?
Yes.
Yes, perfect. Thank you so much, Adam. Okay, thank you. Here, challenge number 3. You have 4 cards, okay? 1 and 6 and 5 and 4, okay? So letter A, Jamie uses these digit cards to make a 2-digit number, then doubles it, okay? So he uses these cards to make a 2-digit number, okay? A number consisting of 2 digits, okay? And then he doubles it. He says that the answer ends in a 2. Write a doubling fact that Jamie could have made. Who knows the answer? So we need to choose a number, okay? That's a 2-digit number that's ending by a number that when we double it, it gives you a 2. Let's see what numbers do we have. The 1. We can use the 1 at the end of the 2-digit number. Let's, for example, choose the 61, the 51, the 41, because when we double it, we're going to get a 2 at the end. So here, we can also choose the 6, because the 6, when we double it, which is going to be 12, and the 12 is ending by a 2. So we can use either the 1 and the 6. Here, I choose the 16 because it's ending by a 6. And when we double the 16, it's 32. And yes, it's ending by 2. Okay? So next one, letter B. Jamie makes another 2-digit number from the same digit cards and doubles it. He says that the answer ends in a 6. Ayla says that this is impossible. Why is Ayla correct? Huh. The answer ends in a 6. But is there any number here in these cards that when we double it, the answer will get a 6 at the end? Huh. Yes, there's no card that when we double it, we're going to get the 6 because the 6 is the double of the 3. And we don't have any number that have a 3 at the end. So no, none of these cards has a double ending with 6. Okay? Next one, letter C. Ayla uses the digit cards to make a 2-digit number and doubles it. Will her answer be an odd number? Huh. You remember at the beginning of our session, we said that the doubling is always multiplying by 2. And we know from the multiplication table that the timetable of 2 doesn't have an answer or a product that's having a 2 at the end. And we know from the multiplication table, the timetable number 2, and we know from the multiplying table, timetable number 2, that we don't have any answer which is odd number. Okay, so there is no double that will be an odd. Okay, so no, because doubling all numbers gives an even number. Okay, so your homework will be AA.3 and AA.4 on IXL, and that's all for today. And before you go, I just want you to watch this video.
Nope. Yep. 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 Nope. Yep.
So that's all for today, guys. Hope you are all doing well, keeping safe at home, and have a nice day. Bye.